In this video, I'll show you how to create a presentation in Gamma AI. From your dashboard, click New Gamma, and then choose the size that you want to do. I will pick traditional to get started. And then after that, go to the theme and just pick out a style that you like. So you can browse through their themes. So I'm just gonna select this one here and it will apply the theme right away. Next, head over to the agent section. This is where you tell Gamma what you want your slide to be about. You can type something simple and clear like top productivity tips for remote work, and then just press enter. Gamma will automatically generate a card based on your prompt. Now, if you want to add more slides, you can click the plus icon or just enter another prompt to create more cards. And then once you're done, click present to see your presentation in action. And that's how you create a presentation in Gamma AI.